guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Harry Potter clock like this. I'm a big fan of Harry Potter and love to craft things related to it. Don't worry, even if you aren't a Harry Potter fan, you can make similar ones with your favorites like Avengers, Peppa Pig, Frozen. What's your favorite?
Peppa Pig.
Okay, anyway today we can only make this one, so let's make a Harry Potter clock. Welcome to Shimmermugs. I'm Lakshmi and this is my sister
Tanmaya.
Okay, let's make this Harry Potter clock. It's very simple. You just need a clock and a wand like this. Reveal your... Wow, what a surprise! No, just kidding. I don't have any powers. Again, it's very simple to make. You just need a working clock. An old clock is pretty much enough. You can also do this with a new clock if your dad is ready to buy one for you. Then you will need a background picture. Remember to add a clock diagram with it. Okay, first I have to remove this frame, so let me take out the screws. Okay, so now I have removed all the screws, so let's take this out. Now let's take out the needles. Okay, so I have removed all the needles. So now we have to insert the picture. So we'll cut this picture now. Okay, so now the picture is ready. So we'll apply some glue. And we'll stick it onto the clock. See, it fits perfectly.
I like it.
So now we'll put back the needles. So I have fixed all the needles. So put it back. My Harry Potter clock is ready.
Wow, it's so nice.
Why don't you make one with your favorite characters? Please do send a picture. You'll find the contact details below.
So you don't have any powers?
Who told you I don't have any powers? I'll show you one right now.
How? Can you teach me this magic?
It's very simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Click the bell notification button.
See you in our next video. Bye bye.